The Larson Electronics IND MD DF ESF R2 portable battery-powered electrostatic cannon is a no-contact disinfection solution for hard-to-reach surfaces in work sites, outdoor areas, gyms, offices, daycare centers, warehouses, airports. This device sprays a mist consisting of a sanitizing agent which applies an even coating on surfaces and equipment. Equipped with a 4.22-gallon tank capacity, the sprayer comes with a power charger and tank with lid. This device disinfects hard-to-reach surfaces, areas, and odd-shaped equipment without contact. The device turns the liquid solution into a mist as the mixture is released into the area. This device has a working flow rate of 100 cubic meters per minute. In addition to sanitation, the portable sprayer can be used for pest control and plant fertilization. This device is powered by a lithium-ion battery which offers a runtime of 2 hours per full charge. Electrostatic phenomena occurs when opposite electrical charges attract and like charges repel. The new Larson Electronics electrostatic sprayer works by applying charges to liquid droplets as they are formed, creating supercharged droplets which then seek out negative or neutral surfaces. As the droplets leave the nozzle, they repel each other to keep from getting larger and they cling to negative or neutral surfaces. A battery sprayer will simply project droplets that passively deposit on surfaces based on the direction of the spray and gravity, which may result in uneven coverage. Our electrostatic sprayers ensure that misting coverage is far more accurate due to the electrostatic energy on the water droplets, which causes them to attract to the surface. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.